Agents, you're asking yourself, why aren't my listings selling? Why aren't my listings moving? Well, number one, if you're not getting any traffic, you need to find a way to get traffic. You've got to find a way to market that property, audit your listing, lower the price, make sure everything's perfect on your listing, push it out on social media. Do whatever you got to do to market the heck out of that property, number one. When you actually get showings, I challenge you to ask better questions. The problem with most agents is they're asking boo-boo questions. The questions you ask for feedback on your showing are, did you like the house? Were there things you would want to upgrade? What are your favorite things about the house? What are things you didn't like about the house? Is the house priced right? Then really aggressive, like deep down good questions that are going to get this property sold are better questions. Here are the questions I challenge you to ask these showings. Ask the people that are showing the property, why did your buyer not write an offer? What would it take for your buyer to write an offer? Okay, great. Because you'll start to recognize, they'll say, you know what? I think, your price is $350. At $325, we would consider this. Okay, so you're telling me that your buyer would buy this house at $325. Great. Write up an offer, send it over, or I can write it up and we could send it over to you. Wait. We also want some interest rate buy down. Okay, so $325 an interest rate buy down? Great. Write up that offer, put it together, let me give it to my seller. And all the while, what you're doing is you're collecting data. You're collecting information, but you're collecting the truth. Because most people, they give you like surface level answers when you give them surface level questions about the property. Did you like it or not? Yes, we liked it. Was it priced right? Yes, we priced it right. Okay, then why aren't you writing an offer? And when you figure that question out and you attack the issues, you're being more aggressive and you're giving yourself a better chance to actually sell that property. So ask better questions, be more aggressive, get with these buyers agents and really figure it out. At least you're going to be able to collect data to go back to your seller to have better conversations on the reality of their property and why it's not selling. Ask better questions, get better answers. You've got to be aggressive in this market. You want to get these properties sold. Hit me up. You want more information. You want to learn how to move your listings. You want to learn how to service your sellers better. I'm going to be teaching a 92 listings in 90 days class coming sometime soon. I want to help you move your properties. I want to help you give better service to your sellers. This market is tough, but we can still win. Give me a shot and I'll help you win too. Talk to you later, guys. Love you.